Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is June the 2nd and today's short show is on 4-leaf clovers. 4-leaf clovers are always fun to find, but they're pretty hard to find and pretty rare. So let's look in my garden and see if we can find any. I've got a lot of clover growing all over the place. So let's see if we can find any 4-leaf clovers. Let's see. There's a 3-leaf clover. Oh, look at that. There's a 4-leaf clover. How about that? Oh, look at that. There's a 4-leaf clover. How about that? Look at that. There's a 4-leaf clover. Here's a 4-leaf clover. There's a 3-leaf clover. But this plant is incredible. It's putting out a whole bunch of 4-leaf clovers. I've never seen a plant have so many 4-leaf clovers on. There's another 4-leaf clover. Let's see, that's a 3-leaf. Well, that's all I see right off the bat, but I picked a bunch of 4-leaf clovers off here the other day too. So that's pretty cool. I guess it means I've got lots of good luck coming my way, right? Alright, thanks for watching. And if you're interested in growing your channel, be at the I Am a Creator-thon 7 today. This afternoon, starting in about an hour. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.